Hello friends, welcome to online seminar. My name is Nitin Ramkisan. I am studying in B.SC second year from Adarsh College Hingoli. So friends, today I am explain the concept of Clairaut's equation. The definition of Clairaut's equation is a differential equation on the form of y equal to px plus f of p is known as the Clairaut's differential equation. This type of equation is known as the Clairaut equation. Y equal to first term of the equation p into x. This is the function of p. Second term is the function of p. Let us see how to solve. First we have differentiate to this with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx equal to, for this applied product rules. Then first function of p into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of p, that is dp by dx, plus derivative of f dash of p into derivative of p. Here we get dp by dx. Now friend, we know that what is the p. P is dy by dx. It is very simple process. Then for this dy by dx we write p, and p equal to p plus we can take by dy by dx x plus f dash of p into dp by dx. pp get cancel and p equal to 0. 0 equal to x plus f dash p into dp by dx. Then we have two possibilities of algebra. We have dp by dx equal to 0 or x plus f dash of p equal to 0. So friends, from this we simplify, we get p equal to c by integrating. So substitute this value of p equal to c in the given equation. We get here y equal to cx plus f of c, and this is the solution of Clairaut's equation. See here once again, process is very simple. We have to differentiate to the given equation with respect to x, and then substitute dy by dx equal to p. When we substitute dy by dx equal to p, we get value of p as c, and c is constant. Then put the value of c is the given equation, then that wise be the solution of the Clairaut's equation. Now friends, we take an example how to solve this Clairaut's equation. Let us see example of Clairaut's equation. What is the Clairaut's equation? Y equal to px plus f of c. And what is the solution of Clairaut's equation? We know that y equal to cx plus f of c. This is the solution of Clairaut's equation. Now friends, solution of the Clairaut's equation is, look at this, y equal to px plus a by p. Then here we can write it as yp minus p square x minus a equal to 0. We have multiplied that this equation p through by p, and this give us y into p, and p into p, that is the p square, and minus a, all the terms taken into left side. Now let us differentiate the equation with respect to p. Then we can see that differentiate this equation. What we get here? Dy by dx equal to p into 1 plus x into dp by dx plus a into minus 1 by p square into dp by dx. Now p equal to p plus x minus a by p and dp by dx. Now p minus p equal to 0. So we get 0 equal to x minus a by p square into dp by dx. So friends, now using algebra, dp by dx equal to 0, and this give us p equal to c. This is the solution. Thank you so much friends. Thanks for watching.